Hello everyone, I am Fatih Karataş, a third-year electrical and electronics engineering student at İzmir Çelebi University. Today I will tell you about my final project of microprocessor course. As my final project, I created the Super Mario game with a different interpretation. Let me start. We can play my game through the Proteus simulation program. I created my Proteus design as you can see on the screen. I changed the color of the classic Proteus screen, added Mario pictures and our school's logo to get a more beautiful interface. The materials I use consist of a microprocessors, buttons to play the game, and the screen where we will see the game. I choose my screen especially large so that the game can be played better. When we start the game, the login screen appears. This screen directs us to menu after a certain period of time. Two options appear on our menu screen. When we enter the About option, we see my personal information and the text of thanks to the lecturer. After a certain time on this screen, it directs us to the menu screen. When we enter the play button, the first part of our game welcomes us. We insult our character with back and forward and jump case. When we advance Mario, we hit the pipe obstacle and we cannot pass the obstacle. For this reason, we climb over the pipe by using the jump button to pass the obstacle. We have to jump over the monster because we will die when we hit the monster that we come across. When we pass the monster and get the coin, our score is printed on the top left of the screen. When we advance our character, we pass the second part. In this episode, a Campbell greets us. Our goal is to finish the level by getting the coin without hitting the wallet. When we buy the coin, our score increases in the same way. When I advanced our character, we go down the pipes and go to the third part. In this episode, we come across both a monster and Campbell. We need the Campbell the section by getting the coin without hitting these two obstacles. When we completed this section, we see the animation where Mario and the princess escape from the Campbell as the final page of our game. Then our game ends by seeing the photo of Mario and Princess. In order not to describe the flow of the game, I didn't show the work of the game over, pause and restart function during the game. Now let's look at the working of these functions. I start the game again and come to the first chapter. When I stop on the pipe and press the pause button, the next pause appears on the screen. When I press the pause button again, the game continues from where I left off. Now I reset the game by pressing the restart button to see my restart function working. Finally, I die by hitting the monster in the episode to see the game over function work. Mario is died and game over screen on the show. In general, I tried to explain the operation of the game to you. My presentation is done. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.